Welcome back to Every Tool is a Hammer, where we ask the impossible and sometimes the ridiculous. Can these everyday tools prove their worth as a hammer? Let's find out. First up, the classic hammering test. Who will drive it home, and who's going to bend under the pressure? Of course, our veteran pounds it away with these. 10 out of 10, no surprises here. Small but mighty. 8 out of 10 for perseverance. That nail's going nowhere fast. 1 out of 10, like trying to hammer with a toothpick. Another toothpick performance. 1 out of 10. Let's move on quickly. Not bad, but not impressive. 4 out of 10. It's trying. The unexpected champion. 10 out of 10. Strong and precise. Like watching a crab play whack-a-mole. 6 out of 10 for effort. Oh, poor pencil. 0 out of 10. Another tragic failure. 0 out of 10. Nail biter instead of nail driver. 1 out of 10. Next up, the pull-out test. The pro gets the job done. 10 out of 10. It's having a rough time. I'd say let's give it a break, but it beat me to it. 3 out of 10. More of a slip-up than a pull-out. 1 out of 10. No redemption here. 1 out of 10. Nailed it earlier, but it can't pull it out. 1 out of 10. Monkey wrench? Not pretty, but it works. 7 out of 10. A hard battle, but victory. 6 out of 10. Another casualty. 0 out of 10. It gave it a try, but no success. 0 out of 10. Not unexpected. 1 out of 10. And back into shape with a little assist. Time to crush some cans. Who will flatten the competition? No doubt here, 10 out of 10, flat as a pancake. Not bad for a little guy, 8 out of 10. Not exactly crushing it, but almost halfway there, 4 out of 10. Not much better. 3 out of 10. Let's call it a minor success. Not bad. 6 out of 10. Trench knows how to flatten. A brute force contender. 10 out of 10. Crushed it. Another solid performance, 8 out of 10. No surprise, this pencil is really out of its weight class, 0 out of 10. Not bad, but not great, 5 out of 10. Unexpected strength again, 6 out of 10. Impressive. And now the ultimate test of finesse. Who will smash the egg with the biggest mess? Crushed it. No egg survives this hammer. 10 out of 10. A bit of a mess. 5 out of 10. But it got the job done. Surprisingly effective. 8 out of 10. Nice work. Three out of 10. But hey, the egg's broken. Breakfast special tool bench style. 10 out of 10. A massacre. 10 out of 10. brutal and effective. This crab's eating well tonight, 8 out of 10. It tried, 2 out of 10, not much more to say. A taste of the birds that was meant to watch, 9 out of 10. Nine out of 10 for Chaos, a messy Wayne. Some tools surprised us, others, well, they just did what we expected. That's the beauty of experimentation. Some wins, some losses, but always a wild ride. Make sure to like, share, and hit that bell so you never miss an episode. Got a tool idea? Drop it in the comments or send me an email and we'll put it to the test.